If you're new to yoga, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Luckily, there are plenty of beginner-friendly yoga poses and sequences that are perfect for those just starting out. Here are some of the best yoga poses for beginners. Mountain pose, Tadasana. This pose is a great starting point for any yoga practice, as it helps to improve posture and promote relaxation. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Downward dog is a foundational yoga pose that helps to stretch and strengthen the entire body, while also promoting relaxation and stress relief. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. This pose helps to build strength in the legs and core, while also improving balance and focus. Tree pose, Vriksasana. Tree pose is a great beginner-friendly balancing pose that helps to improve focus and concentration, as well as strengthen the legs and core. Child's pose, Balasana. This gentle pose is a great way to stretch and release tension in the back and neck, while also promoting relaxation and stress relief. Remember, as a beginner it's important to take your time and listen to your body. Don't worry if you can't do all the poses perfectly at first. It's all about starting where you are and gradually building up your practice over time. With patience and dedication, you'll soon be feeling stronger, more flexible, and more relaxed than ever before. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and leave a comment below. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to stay up to date with all my latest content. I appreciate your support and see you in the next video.